Hey friends, before we start, I want to let you know that every tip you'll hear here comes from technicians with years of experience at this highly respected appliance repair shop. So don't worry, we're going to fix this issue. So, when a dishwasher shows error 5, what the machine is indicating is that there's a problem with the water inlet or the sensor that monitors the water level. At the shop, customers often tell us things like, "It stopped mid-cycle," and the display showed a 5, "It does nothing," or "I tried restarting it several times and the same error keeps coming back." That gives us a pretty clear clue that something is blocking the water flow, and the control board interprets it as a safety risk. Interestingly, before this error appears, some customers notice strange noises while the dishwasher tries to fill, or the cycle stops for no reason. Some even say it smells a little weird when trying to start, which always alerts us in the shop that there could be an electrical or mechanical problem in the water detection system. Technically speaking, this code is usually related to the water inlet valve, or the float sensor. One of our shop's technicians always says, if the float gets stuck or the valve is blocked, the board thinks the tub is empty and triggers error 5 as a safety measure. In fact, some Hotpoint bulletins mention that in certain models, the valve could get stuck if the water has high calcium or sediment, so it's not uncommon to see this error in areas with hard water. On the other hand, sometimes the problem is simpler than it seems. When we open the dishwasher, we often find loose connectors or clogged filters, which make the board receive incorrect signals. In those cases, cleaning the filter or checking the hose can be enough to get the machine running again, and customers are often surprised that something so simple caused all the trouble.
Okay, I see the screen.
Additionally, another possible cause is a defective valve or water level sensor. In the shop, we've had customers bring in a dishwasher where the valve wouldn't open properly even though the water pressure was fine. There's no other option in that case. We replace the part so the water level signal reaches the board correctly and the error disappears. Meanwhile, we also check all the electrical connections in the water system, because sometimes a loose or corroded wire can cause false readings, and the board thinks there's a problem when there isn't one. So before replacing any parts, we make sure everything is properly connected and that the float and valve can operate without any restrictions.